Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Toria and you're welcome to my channel. On my channel, I share tutorials on some of my crochet works. Please do join me. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you. On today's tutorial, we'll be making this bralette for the beautiful and busty lady. Don't worry, you can easily adjust it to your size.
Now let's begin.
We are going to be making the cup of the bralette. In order to start, you are going to make a slip knot. So chain 12. So chain extra to 1, 2. This stands as your first half double crochet. We're going to be making half double crochet into each of the stitches until we get to the end of the row. So in order to make it, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3 loops. So repeat this until you've gotten to the end of the row. I'll meet you then. When you've gotten to the last stitch, go ahead and make directly into the first chain that you made. Attach a stitch marker to this place that you started. This is so that you can know the up and the lower side. Chain 2. You're going to be chaining 2 on this side. Then flip your work. Repeat your half double crochet. We are going to be making directly into the stitch. This half double crochet until you've gotten to the end of the row. I'll meet you there. When you've gotten to the end of the row, we are going to make the last stitch directly into this first chain you've made. This side is going to be
Lower side.
so I'll be chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. Stands as my first half double crochet. So flip the work. This row we're making now is going to be an increased row. That means we're going to be increasing on both ends. So yarn over. Now repeat your second half double crochet into the same stitch. So we have 2. Now let's proceed. You are going to make one half double crochet into each of the whole stitches until you've gotten to the end of the row. We've gotten to the end of this row, so make 2 half double crochet. So the first one, and then this is the second one. Chain 2, 1, 2, then flip your work. This stands as your first half double crochet. Row 4 and row 5 make normally. They are not going to be any increase, so I'll meet you when I get to row 6. 6 now, you're going to chain 2, then flip your work. So you're going to, this row 6 is going to be an increased row, meaning that you're going to make 2 half double crochet at the beginning and at the end. I've made 2 now. I'm going to make a single half double crochet in each of the stitches until I reach the end of the row. Then I will come and show you the next thing we will be doing from there. At the end of the row, make 2 half double crochet. This is 1 and then this is 2. So after this row, we are going to be increasing we're going to be making an increase in every third row. That is like, this is row 6. There's an increase in row 6. So row 7, row 8, no increase. Row 9, there's going to be an increase. We're going to keep increasing in every third row until we've gotten to row 17. Then I'll come back and show you the next thing we're going to be doing. So we've come to the end of the increase. The number of stitches I have in this row 17 is 24 stitches. So after the 25 row 17, I made row 18. The same number, no increase in row 18. So after row 18, we're going to be decreasing from row 19. So decrease, I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. This stands as my first half double crochet. Then to the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3 loops, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over. So pull that total of 5 loops, then yarn over, and then pull all through. So I've reduced one. I'm going to make half double crochet all through until I get to the end of the row where I'm going to be making the next decrease. So 2 stitches, I'm going to be making a decrease. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook to the last stitch, yarn over, and then pull out 5 loops, yarn over, and then pull all through. So decrease in the both end. So in the next 2 rows we are making, there is not going to be any decrease. So yarn over 1, 2, then flip your work. We're going to make normally. One, 2, then flip your work. Let's make the decrease again. So this is how I make the invisible decrease. You yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and then pull out, yarn over, pull all through. So you're going to be decreasing every 3 rows until you're going to be decreasing in every 3 rows until you've gotten to row 31. I'll meet you at row 31. Song, whatever you're making is, you have to ensure that you're going to be ending with the exact number of stitches that you started with here. So I started with 12 stitches. I'm going to be ending with 12. Once you're done, you're going to have something that looks exactly like this. So we're going to cut your stitches, cut your yarn, and then keep it aside. I'm also going to start with 12 chain. That is 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to be making our half double crochet. So at the end of this row, we are going to be having 12 half double crochet. So I'm going to put my stitch marker on this end. This will enable me to know that this end is going to be facing the upper. So we're going to be making the next row, and we're going to increase at this very beginning. So chain 1, 2, flip your work. Into this stitch, you're going to make 2 half double crochet. And then this is 1, and then the second half double crochet. This is an increase. Into all the stitches, make 1 half double crochet until we get to the end of the row. I'll come back to show you. We are almost at the end of the row, so to make the last stitches. So this pattern we are making, we are going to be increasing in alternate rows until we've got it to row 13. So what I mean is that after this row there's an increase, next row there's not going to be an increase, next row there will be an increase, just like that until we get to row 13. Next we are going to be making from row 15 to row 22. No increase, no decrease. That is. From each row 22, we are going to be decreasing until we are done. From decrease as usual. Next row, no increase. Sorry, no decrease. What am I even saying? We are going to be decreasing on the alternate rows until we get to row 31. Once you're done, you're going to bring the first one that you've made. So we are going to be joining them together. So the side you were making, the 2 chains are going to be facing out, while the other side are going to face each other, just like this. So you will be joining from this end down here. Use any method that is preferable for you to join. I prefer threading my tapestry needle and using it to join together. When you are done attaching this, we are going to make a half double crochet all around in order to reduce the edges and then make it have a more circular shape. In order to achieve this, I'm going to start from any of the edges. So for this, attach your yarn, then into single crochet, then to the next 2 stitches we are going to be reducing. Now the next 2 single crochet and then single crochet. This next 2 we are going to make a reduction. So this is what we are going to continue. We'll keep making this like this until we reach at the edge here. So it looks like this. Now we are going to make this area. This area, we are not going to be making any reduction. Just go ahead and make your normal single crochet all through. Make the single crochet into each of the stitches.